Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 629 Mort Street in Rivervale. This neat and tidy apartment is all about location. We're just 200 metres away from the Wilson Park precinct, 7 k's to the city, short walk to the public transport that'll take you to the city, airport and the shops as well. And we have the added bonus of a gated complex for that security. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your tour of 629 Mort Street in Rivervale. So if you're on a budget and want to get started in an inner city suburb, this neat and secure apartment's for you. For more details about property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.